Good morning, students. Previous class I have completed the properties and assumptions of the indifference curve approach, but today I will start the new concept of budget line and budget set. So first of all, in consumers equilibrium chapter, in indifference curve approach, we have seen that the two commodities and prices of the two commodities and also the income of the consumers. So in this chapter, one thing is that the consumers has to maximize his satisfaction by purchasing two commodities, and the price of these two commodities are given and income of the consumers also given. These are the assumptions of this chapter. So first of all, we have to think which combination of the two goods the consumer can purchase, and which bundles will maximize the satisfaction. So first of all, we have to know the concept of the budget. So budget, in such a case, we have seen that the budget represents the income of the consumer, and with the help of this income the consumer can purchase the combination of the two goods, and this combination of the two goods which gives him the cost level is minimized the cost level of the consumer. So these goods which minimize the cost level of the consumers, and at this level the consumer maximizes his satisfaction. So first of all, I will explain the budget and budget line. So first, I am writing by giving an example. I will explain this concept, what is budget line and what is budget set. First, budget line. Now I am writing here the income. Y means income. Income rupees 20. The income of the consumer rupees 20. Two commodities X and Y. These are the two commodities. X means apple, Y means banana. So two commodities, and price of X equal rupees 10, and price of Y rupees 10. So the prices of the two commodities are constant, same, rupees 10 and 10. So with the help of this, we have to find out the bundles of the two commodities. So in what way you can find the bundles of the two commodities? So first, I am writing here budget equation. Budget equation means Px into X plus Py into Y equal or less than M. M means money income. Income is M. Px price of X. X means commodity. Py price of Y, and Y. So in this equation, this is budget equation. Budget equation. This is budget equation, and with the help of the equation we can find the combination of the two goods. Now from this equation we can find how many commodity, how many combination, or how many bundles the consumer can purchase. Less equal means the income level is 20. So within 20 the consumer has to purchase the two goods, but the consumer cannot purchase more than rupees 20. So within 20 he has to purchase the two commodities. Now put the value in such a way. So price of X is rupees 10. Ps rupees 10 into commodity X. How many commodities? If the consumer think that he wants to purchase only X commodity, then how many commodities the consumer can purchase? Because we have 20 rupees and commodity X. How many commodities? If we put the value here, two commodities, two apples, then 2 into 10 means 20. 10 into 2 means 20. So 20 rupees 20 rupees expend. So now plus Py, price of Y is rupees 10 into Y commodity the consumer cannot purchase. So you put the value of 0. Then 10 to 20 plus 0 equal to 20. So money income equal 20. So how many combination the consumer can purchase here? 2 and 0. So the bundle will be, we can write here the first bundle 2, 2x and 0 y. First bundle 2, 2x and 0 y. This bundle the consumer can purchase. Again we can put the value here. Price of x 10 into x commodity 0. If the consumer think that he only wants to purchase y commodity, bananas, not, he does not want to purchase apple. So x means apple, put the value 0 plus py 10 into 2, then 0 plus 20, 20. So second bundle 0 and 2. First bundle 2 0, 2x 0 y. Second bundle 0x to y. So in such a way the consumer can find the bundles or the combination of the two commodities. So when this equation graphically represented, this is known as the budget line. So what is budget line? Budget line represents the combination of the two commodities which the consumer can purchase within his income. So this is known as budget line. So now I am explaining the diagrams with the help of this table. Here I have made a table. So with the help of this table we can draw the diagram of the budget line. So clear? I think that this portion clear. So now from this table I have made x and y commodities. Y commodities, x means apples, y means bananas, and I have written here two columns. So after drawing the diagram, then I will explain this column. Now here we assume rupees income rupees 20, price of x equal rupees 4, and price of y rupees 2, and two commodities x and y. Two commodities x and y and their prices. Price of x rupees 4 and price of y rupees 2. I have written here 4 and 2. Now with the help of this, so first you have to write the budget equation. Write budget equation. Budget equation px into x plus py into y less equal 20. So you can put the value here. PS, price of x 4, into commodity is 5. If we want to purchase only x, not, I do not want to purchase y. So 5 units, 5 for the 20. So total income 20 spent. Now plus py rupees 2 into y commodity 0, then 20 plus 0, so 20. So first combination 5 and 0. First bundle 5 0. Now next, so I have written here 5 and 0. 5 units of x, 0 units of y. Now next, px, price of x 4 into 4 plus py rupees 2 into 2. 4 for the 16 plus 4, 20. So how many combination here? Also 4 and 2. So in such a way you can put the value. So I have made here the column 5 0 cleared, 4 2, 4x 2y, 3x, 4y, 2, 6. It's such a way you can put the value, and within 20 the consumer can purchase the combination of the two goods. Now with the help of this schedule we can draw the diagram. So x and y, 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 0 to 10, 0, 2. So you put the value 5, 0, number 1, 0, 10, 0, x, 10, 1, 8, 2, 6. So in such a way put the value, the diagram will be this. So this is the budget line. This is budget line. Budget line is downward sloping, negatively sloped and straight line, and the combination point, this is the combination point. Now just now I have shown you the combination point 2002 42. This is the combination point, and this is budget line. So within this budget line, the combination of the different combination of the two goods the consumer can purchase. So this is known as budget set. Budget set. So what is budget set? Budget set represents the set of the combination of the two goods that the consumer can purchase. So up to this, the next day I will teach you the shift of the budget line. Thank you.